Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Today, I'm going to talk about few things. But first, I'm going to start off like this. Freedom Imaginaries alleges abuse of rights for Haitians detained in Jamaica. Human rights organization Freedom Imaginaries is alleging a range of rights abuses in the case of a group of Haitians in immigration detention in Jamaica. The organization, run by attorney Marlene Alain, lists deplorable conditions of lockups, physical abuse, and the violation of civil and humanitarian rights. My wisdom warriors, this is what I have been talking about from day one. From day one, I have been talking about this. From day one, the people them detained in a Jamaica. And it make no sense. Jamaican people go take other people from them other country. And we know how they stay already. We know how they stay. Who remember when me say that? Who remember when me say that? Can me know how enough of them turn? Because enough of few people them a get abused. Enough of few people them they abuse. I just too enough people were in the lockup. I told them not have nobody to talk to about it. You did know that. Enough of them now get no visitors. Enough of them and them a get abused. And see what is happening. So no me if you tell me say, when I take people from make people come from their country, come off on the country, before you send them back, you abuse them, you must stop it. You must stop it. You Jamaican people, you need to stop it. My wisdom warriors, I have to call them out for this, because this is not right. This is not right. It better you send back the people them straight away, rather than have them in a detention center, physically abusing them. Physically abusing the people them. See how listen, the people them are brothers and sisters, are black people, are brothers and sisters. So why do them things there? Know say enough of evil, enough of we are work in the immigration is an evil set of people. Why would you do such a thing? What have they done? What have they done to Uno? We are all one. We are all black brothers and sisters. Why Uno do this? My wisdom warrior, when me see it, me say, rotted hole, I want go on. If people them come, if you don't want the people them in our country, you send them back straight away. You detain them, have them at detention center. Look upon the Indians them will come other day. How you not detain them and have them at detention center? You have them up and down in a downtown Kingston. A tour, downtown Kingston like them a tourists. And then you have no brothers and sisters, black brothers and sisters in a detention, abuse them. Physically abuse them. It come out. Human rights is on it, is on the case. It is not right, Jamaica. It is not right. It is very sad. Don't do that. What you don't want for yourself, you don't do it to others, man. Don't do it to others. I say, me can't believe. I saw an evil, man. Seriously, I saw an evil. Why you not do that to these people? You see what the people them a go through in their country and I fled their country. Everybody I try to lift up. Seriously. I want to make the people in the detention center I want to abuse the people them. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. I like how the human rights is on it. You people don't forget that we are all one. We're all black people. We unite. We unite and love with one another. If you have love in our heart, you're too damn disgusting. The human rights says it has documented 9 cases of Haitian asylum seekers languishing in deplorable prison conditions since December 2023 without a clear legal basis for their detention. You hear that? Without a clear legal basis for their detention. Them people, our brothers and sisters, Our brothers and sisters, and look how them a treat them. Look how them a treat them. And other day, you see this set of people, they come on the plane and they have them a tour out downtown Kingston. For what reason, I do not know. You understand me? Me just a try showing you something, Me just a try showing you something. We need to fix up Jamaica. We need to stop this Jamaica. We need to fix up and do the right thing. We need to do the right thing. And as Mark Golding say, according to Mark Golding, if the head of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream I go dirty. And that I go on. Listen, we have to set example. We have to set example. And these things need to be stopped. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. A well-known member of the Jamaican diaspora in the United States is urging Jamaicans overseas. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, because in the last, not the last video, but in the video that I was talking about how the government say they're not shaking about the protest where are going to take place on May the 10th. I don't remember. But really and truly, we know so them a shake. We know so them a shake. This is why me tell you all the while, say for protest. And the reason why me tell you because the protests have a power there. It is powerful. This is why me tell you all the time for go protest. When I see how Jamaica government run out, I run up and down, and I say how they not shaking and they not afraid. That they come out and say, well, this a man will call himself Clovis Nelson. Come out. You can't imagine. This is why I know that these people do not mean Jamaican well. These type of people doesn't mean Jamaican well. This man have the guts, have the audacity to come out and tell Jamaican overseas to be vigilant against misinformation and not to support any activity that may hurt brand Jamaica. So wait there. So you are trying to save Jamaica brand. When Jamaica not do shit for the people them in the country, make it make sense, brother. Make it make sense. Really and truly, look how much suffering is going on in Jamaica. Look how much bad condition the people them have to live in Jamaica. Look how much crime and violence is going on in Jamaica. Look how the healthcare system fail us over and over. And this a man I mean to say. This a man him get frightened to that's why him come out, That's why him come out, Yeah, because him frightened my wisdom warriors. Him afraid like a puss. Because them know so the people have the power in their hands, Them know that my wisdom warriors. So when you see the government come out and hype up themselves and talk about them not afraid, them not afraid. Them not afraid of the protest, a lie them I tell, them afraid. See all this a mania when named Dr. Clovis Nelson come out. You see when I see these people come out, when these people come out and don't want the truth to be told, so them people hate Jamaica. They hate Jamaican people. They don't want we to get better. You understand what I mean? Listen, what misinformation? What the only person I give misinformation is Andrew Onless administration. Everything what the bloggers then come out, we the blogger. We in Lonesome, Rattigan, me, you have Andre Stevens, you have Takemine TV, Jamaica Hot Topics, Jamaica Carlos, you have, Lord God, Jeffrey, me can't remember some of them names. The whole of them come out and speak truth. You understand? And they speak for the voiceless. And that them come out and do. You understand? They stand up for rights and justice. Seriously. And this a man, Afraid, How can you stand up? And I say that. Look how much things is happening in Jamaica. I saw you hate Jamaica, man. Brother, I saw you hate Jamaican people. What Jamaican people do to you? What Jamaican people do to you? We are here trying to open the people them eyes. Show the people them what is really going on in Jamaica. And you come out with a lie itself telling people lies. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. Now, me know say a lot of people, because they are so die-hearted. They are so politically blind. Because they are so die-hearted. Seriously. My wisdom warriors, I can't believe somebody is coming out. Listen, look at the crime. There is no crime plan. Look at the healthcare system. The healthcare system fails us over and over and over again. And this man have the balls have the balls to come out and say such a thing. And say such a thing. This a man here Jamaica. Listen, anybody go anywhere and hear this a man here talk, and them a give misinformation. These people hate Jamaican. You understand? Look how much things is going on. All with the taxpayer money. Taxpayer money are spent for a whole heap of rubbish. And Jamaican people is suffering. It shouldn't be like that. And then this man come out and talk nonsense. Listen to me, my viewers and subscribers. You see, when you go out and demonstrate, that is the power. I tell you all the while, the power is in our hands, and we run things, and Andrew Holness run we. I just show people that now go out and protest. Make people that believe say Andrew Holness run things. Andrew Holness run things. And we put Andrew whisper him there. And we put him whisper him there. So we have the power in our hand. I don't need to get up and go protest and show them people and say, hey, and we run here so you know. And uno run here so we do no foolishness. Uno fi lift up and uno fi fix up. You understand me? So when I see these people come out, I'm like, wow, them really scared. Them really scared. And then government run out and did a hype, but they're not shaking. They're shaking because they know that I got it all over the news. So they might try everything. The activists are try everything to stop it. And another thing, some people come out and talk about since Mark Golden travel other day. Yeah? Since Mark Golden travel, now them talk about protest. A long time, the protest plan. Long time, long, months before Mark Golden even think for travel. You hear me? So somehow you know if you just shut on a dirty stinking mouth. And that you need for the shut on a mouth. You understand? I'm going to learn. I'm going to read up, do no research and learn what is happening in the country. And that you don't need to go do. Because Andrew Holness are going to drop on the backside one by one. You don't stay there. You don't go feel it. You don't see how Andrew Holness are run and a rush for change constitution. And a rush for remove monarchy. You don't go feel it, man. You don't stay there no fix up. You don't stay there no wise up. Uno stay there, uno lack of knowledge, uno shall perish. The Bible tell, the Bible say it, and that happen. That is happening because uno head just tick. And uno die-hearted, uno come out of the die-hearted mind. That is back in the day. Start think like a Jamaican right now, what that uno need for do. But my wisdom warriors, uno tell me how you feel about this and put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, you know say right now the PNP are do them local conference. No, you know that. Yes, man, so them are do them local conference. Anyway, I'm saying that the People's National Party, PNP, for Centre Northeastern, Dr. Ryan Simpson says Jamaica is at risk of becoming like Haiti if the opposition doesn't form the next government. Who believe him? Who believe him? Because I agree. If we give Andrew Holness one more length, we're done for. Seriously, length even too long. If we give Andrew Holness one more little inch, in done Jamaica completely. I want to take in Dr. Ryan.
The problem is there is money in Jamaica, but only a few people are benefiting from the money. Only a handful of people are actually experiencing or beneficiaries of the wealth.
My wisdom warriors, how much time I come here and I make you know say Jamaica have money? How much time I come and I tell you say Jamaica have money? It's just because the people them we are dealing with the money is corrupt. This is why the money not spent wisely, my wisdom warriors. How much time? And see there, Dr. Simpson come out and this is what he said. Want to hear what the man say? The man say there is money in Jamaica. There is money in Jamaica. Me always come and tell you now. But the corrupted government, rotted, boy, them squander the money. And I know so Jamaican people need it the most. Remember, taxpayer money this, you know. A taxpayer money. You understand? So taxpayer money is for the people. A people pay tax.
That is in Jamaica. So that what you have is a big disparity between the rich and the poor. I feel that Jamaica, if the People's National Party don't win the next general election, Jamaica is going to be the next Haiti. Mark my words.
You are so right, sir. You are so right. I agree with you 199.9%. You are so right. If opposition side not take over and form the next government, what hell I got broke loose in a Jamaica? What hell I got broke loose in a Jamaica? My wisdom warriors, this is why I'm asking everybody to go out and vote. When it's time, you vote. Listen, you don't sit down on the yard and say, you know what, I'm not voting because none of them know better. Listen, you have to vote for somebody and vote for the PNP. Me I tell you, vote for the next government, not Andrew Wellness regime. Andrew Wellness regime, no make it. You see everything what is going on. You see everything what is going on, my wisdom warriors. A full time now, a full time Andrew Wellness, pack him bag and go. We need a change. We need a change, and the time is now. We need a change, my wisdom warriors. Wanna tell me how you feel about this? Wanna think about it? Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And guys, remember, me dey on TikTok and IG. Wanna run over there, follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.